Hello guys, if you're watching this video, most likely you have really annoying clicking or clunking noise when opening your car doors. In majority of the cases, the noise is coming from defective or worn out door check link. Unfortunately, there is no easy way to repair this. There are two repair methods and both of them require disassembly of the affected door. The first method is to replace the whole check link assembly with a brand new one, and the second is to replace only the plastic bushings inside the check link. This is a brand new check link for the front doors of my Astra H. Remember, the front and the rear check links are different. Unfortunately, I was unable to source the bushing repair kit, but here I have for you two printed pages showing how exactly the kit looks like and how exactly the replacement is done. And to be honest, the price of two brand new check links is just a little bit more than the price of the repair kit. So, if you ask me, it's not worth buying a repair kit. But never mind that, let me show you how exactly to change your noisy check link. Like I said, there is no easy way. You have to remove your door card. You have to remove the two screws on the rear side of the card. 3 more screws underneath the card. 2 under the plastic cover of the handlebar. And 1 last screw under the plastic cover of the door opener. Using your bare hand, simply remove the plastic trim with the loudspeaker. Again, using your bare hands, unclip the lower side of the door card. Gently pull out the door card from the upper brackets. Of course, you have to remove the ambient light cable, the cables for the window control and the door opener rope. Of course, to make the things worse, you have to remove even the loudspeaker. Using a 10mm ratchet, unscrew the two nuts holding the check link to the door. Pay attention that the door might come loose and you need to make it stationary with something. Here I'm using my tripod. On the other side I'm using this foam to protect the door from over-opening and scratching the paint when I remove the check link. Using the ratchet, unscrew the Torx bolt holding the check link towards the chassis. Before extracting the check link, don't forget to raise your window. You have to rotate the check link and the window is interfering with that motion. This is how the new check link looks like, and of course I will have to reinstall the loudspeaker and the door card. Finally, let's disassemble the noisy check link and examine the bushings.